They save their energy to fatten up on their favorite meal. Seals. An elephant seal is the perfect meal for a shark traveling the Great White Highway. What baffles scientists is the way sharks feed at Guadalupe. Around the globe, white sharks prefer water temperature between 60 and 75 degrees. So they typically stay in warmer, shallow waters and near the surface. In South Africa, white sharks patrol the shallows for young seals returning to shore and make their kills at the surface. But here in Guadalupe, sharks may be striking their prey farther from shore, in deep water. The question that remains is why?